All right, everybody, Dr. Chang, and this is Ronel, my chiropractic patient. And Ronel is first time chiropractic experience. He has never seen a chiropractor, so first time he came to see me. So I just want to ask him what his experience was like after first adjustment. And I know he was a little nervous about getting adjusted, so let's just hear from Ronel what before and after from chiropractic treatment.
Yeah. Hey, folks. My name is Ronel. Never had a chiropractic adjustment until I met Dr. Chang, and I can tell you it's really, really life-changing. You know, just a lot of release and just tension, and probably years and years of stress and all kinds of bad stuff. And so, you know, it's just, he's not going to break your neck, I promise you. You will feel better afterwards. But yeah, everything is really good. It's really good.
Yeah, so you felt like after adjustment, you mentioned that you could like sit up straight and you could like breathe and
I could breathe a lot better. That's the main thing I noticed, because, you know, my sinuses, especially on the left side, was always, you know, kind of like clogged. And after the first adjustment, I noticed like the room was brighter. I felt more like, you know, just better.
Kind of like warm.
Yeah, I felt like that
body.
warm sensation. Yeah.
That's amazing,
and you know, all even down into my toes. And I noticed right immediately, right off the bat, I could sit up straight. Like I was able to sit up straight.
That's awesome. I mean, yeah, that's how powerful adjustment is. Even single adjustment can do that. So yeah, if you want to learn more about chiropractic and also more about what we do at CHIROWELL, please give us a call, you know, for a free consultation, and we'll hopefully we'll see you soon. Take care.
Yeah, take care.
Bye.